Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Music not connecting on Ladder. So if the Apple Music isn't connecting on the Ladder app on your iPhone, it's usually caused by permission issues, account sync problem, or a broken Apple Music authorization. So actually guys, first you will need to reconnect Apple Music and Ladder. So you'll need to open your app Ladder and then just go with the settings. And to reach the settings, you will need at first to tap on your profile icon or picture that's located at the top right corner of the dashboard, and here you will need to go and tap on the gear icon here to get through the settings. Okay, so now guys, you will need just to go with the integrations. Okay, so it's the fifth option or the first one on the second section. So once you tap it, you will be able to see the music section right here. So it's the last option or and integrations section. So once you tap it here, you will find the Apple Music. Okay, so let's say that you're already connected to the Apple Music but it won't work. Okay, so you will need now to tap it and to go with none. All right, and then just go ahead and tap on the Apple Music again. Okay, so this refreshes the link between both apps. And also guys, you do really need to enable the Apple Music permissions, and to do that you will need to go with your phone settings right here, and then you will need to go ahead with privacy and security. So scroll down so you can see the option privacy and security right here. Click it, and then you will need to look for the media and Apple Music. Okay, so that's it, media and Apple Music. Tap on it, and here you will need to make sure that the ladder is allowed access. So without permission it won't connect at all. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.